guys, it is the Creeper Ant here, and today I have this 9-inch Mainstays fan. They call it a personal fan, but I call it a mini box fan, and yeah, it's a pretty cool fan. So the switch though, I find it very weird because on the top of the switch there's a 0. And on the bottom of the switch, there's a 0. So it goes all the way around. So there's two of each speed, except, it's kind of like it doesn't switch back. You could, instead of switching back, you could just like switch to switch one more, and it'll be the same speed. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah. Alright, so let's turn it on. The first speed is low. This fan is similar to the Honeywell fan I just had, except it's a little louder, they got like the same type of motor. These blades are a little louder. It pulls a really good amount of air. The fan is leaning back right now. It's on it's not really on a flat surface. It's like on a cushion or an ottoman. So yeah, this fan did come in a lot of colors. I decided to get the white one. I can't remember what type of colors. I think they had blue, purple. I think they might have had gray, and I think they might have had black, and then they had white. So yeah. That is my Mainstays Mini box fan. Thanks for watching.